Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Clutch. Today I'm going to be making some beachy centerpieces for my niece's bridal shower. My sister and I went shopping, found these buckets at the Dollar Tree. My cousin told me they had a lot of beachy stuff, so we ran out there and got some. So I have 4 of them. I ordered some little sprigs. I'm going to link whatever I can down in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Have some skewers, wood skewers, and I ordered these from Oriental Trading, these beautiful delicate starfish. First thing I'm going to do is take this pot and some hot glue and the foam, throw some hot glue in there, stick it in there, make sure it stays. Put a little extra down there if necessary. I'm going to take my skewer sticks and my starfish, and I'm going to use a combo of a clear drying glue and a little bit of hot glue. So I have a starfish and I have a skewer stick. I'm going to do a combo of hot glue and white glue. First I'm going to just do a little hot glue. Get this situated on here, like that. And then I'm going to take this clear drying glue and add it so that in case the hot glue fails, this other glue will hang on. There we go. Then I'll sprinkle a little extra glitter on there. Then I'm going to let it dry, but that's what it looks like on the front, and then here's what it looks like on the back. It's going to be glittery and pretty. So I'm going to do a bunch of those. I'm going to start with 5 starfish, see how it goes. I can always add more. Now I'm going to add my fairy lights. And I'll take some of these picks. Now these white ones seem to come in like one big group, and I have these cute blue picks, which are more individual. All right, I'm gonna hot glue the controller to the edge, so I'll be able to find it near the back. I saved a bunch of seashells that I collected with my niece and nephew years ago when they were little, and I incorporated them into the centerpieces. So it's a little Sanibel Island nostalgia built in. I just kept stacking them until the bucket looked nice and full, and then I did end up hot gluing the shells together just in little spots so that the whole thing was more stable. My sister came over and helped me finish the last 3 bridal shower centerpieces. And then we just added some finishing touches. We added a wood cutout of a sand dollar and then some little pearl beads. There they are all lit up. There they are at the shower, and they looked amazing. If you like this project, I know you are gonna love this one. It was the bridal shower game that we did. So be sure to check that out. And remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe, and I'll see you over there.